This is Thursday, 7:30, 4 days after it started snowing. Got Jason's digger there and Mark's in the 172 and Dill. And the ute just got stuck. I'm trying to blade my way to it and get me out of there. Just using the skidder to clear the road off. Where my ute is, it's 450 millimeters there. And I sent the boys home today. We were going to make a attempt at having a go at working today, but it's pretty miserable up here. This is where they'd be working. So yeah, and over there somewhere is my 071 buried amongst the snow. I don't think we'll get up here until next week. And right down there somewhere is my tail hold. This is a block here that we're just going to start scabbing, and then we'll get down a bit and stand the skyline up and shotgun the Acme carriage back. It's about a 500 metre pull. The tail hold's probably about 700 odd out to there. You can't see a lot, but I've got the machine running there just to try and dry it out a wee bit. This cab had snow on it, come up and underneath a hole in the floor. Yeah, well, that snow's been pretty heavy. James was up here, graded the road to us yesterday, and probably another inch fell last night. But that's it, back to blading the road off, I suppose.